Okay, I'm going to make just a makeup table just for under the mirror. I just want to make a good makeup table. Okay, I'm going to install a wood piece. Okay, now I attach two wood pieces on the wall. Okay, now I'm going to put one. Already I cut the wood. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a nice plywood, nice finished veneer wood piece. I'm going to stick it over this wood. I don't want to stain. This doesn't look good. That's what I'm going to put a new piece. I'm going to glue it on this table. Okay. This wall is not straight. Okay, this wall not straight. So in the end of the wall, both walls, this is less, and here when you come along this side, it's getting wider. Okay, I put one piece. Somehow I cut so many cut. Finally, it's fit there. Now I am putting this piece because there is we can see the cutting edge. Here they cover with the same color. So I am using this side to here. Okay, I cut already. 2-3 cut. Finally fit there. Okay, now I'm going to put this overlapping piece. When you look from the front view, the table will look nice. Okay, I'm going to put this here. I already cut it. Okay, and using with this angle. Okay, using with this angle, I'm gonna attach here like this. Okay, two of them I'm going to attach like this. Okay, I'm going to make a bracket here. This bracket is good for me, and okay, we just want to attach this wood to this wood piece, which I already screw it on this wall. And what I do, I just attaching a small piece of wood here and screw it this side and here. Okay, that's what I am fixing this plan wood to this, attaching this wood to make it table. Okay, that's what I am doing. There is a 2-piece wood. I want to attach one here, one here. Just going to glue this veneer over the wood. Okay, I try to glue it just by the silicone. This. Okay, I put the glue all around, and the first glue gun didn't work properly. That's what I changed new glue gun. Okay, this one has no spring. The spring one not working properly. This one with there's a cutting there like a gear. This work good. and that's why it's not in a order. Okay, I'm gonna glue it down. We have to overlap here to see cover. When you look from the top, it has to overlap, otherwise if it's too much going inside, it may look different. Okay, it has to be overlap when you look from the outside. Here it has to overlap here. Okay, it has to be more inside than this top veneer plank. Okay. This is a face. I write it. This is a backsplash. Okay, and I just didn't glue it. I'm going to glue it this. Okay, I cut already, and I'm going to glue it. This I'm going to glue it first. One thing we have to notice when we put the silicone, this piece I didn't put it. Now after we silicone, maybe it won't touch the wall. This wall is slightly slanted and uneven, and you see here is more gap. There's a more gap here, and when you look from the top there is a gap here, but here in the center middle is touching here. That side not touching. You have to remember, when you put silicone, you put more silicone here, more silicone here. Middle is less silicone. We need to put more silicone here. Middle is less thick. It's touching already. When you come to this side, you need more silicone. We cannot press it too much, because if we press it too much, what will happen, the silicone will be pressed, and once we take out the hand after pressing, the wood will come back to this position, silicone will stick there, and it will not stick. Only one time push it, that's it. Slightly push. If you push it too much, because of the wall is slanted, it will not stick properly. Just considerable pressure you can give, that's all. Now we put the backsplash now, and the table, and two things. We have to push this backsplash up to this edge. Okay, up to this edge, and here also maximum you bring it to this edge, and this top plank supposed to be overlapped from the this small wood piece. Okay, then you look around and mirror. I set the mirror, I set this table, and it's look nice. And one more thing, for black sticker for to cover this socketing edge, and because here I cut it and it's already black color, okay, veneer color, but here this is not, we can see the socketing edge. I already bought to cover this area for the black film. Okay, you know this roll is called veneer pre-glued veneer edge. Okay, because it's already pre-glued already, and we have to use iron, hot iron, put it in the cotton 400 degrees on. This is my small dressing room decoration and wall art. Okay, I I made a table, dressing table, and mirror with like a sunshine look, and I changed the color, paint background red, and this both is pink color. This is red, and so far this dressing room look like a classy and a good 5-star hotel look. And this is my work for the dressing room. If you guys like my channel, please subscribe, like and share. And thank you. I'm going to put upload more videos. Okay, bye.